Hello, my name is Brian Mwangi, and this is my submission for the hackathon. So, every day, people who work in businesses and those who work in organization face the same repetitive tasks all over again. That is, a problem appears in one of the apps, and you have to transfer it from one app to the next to the next. Well, there might be bots. There might be bots for that. The problem is they take so long to set up, and they are very vulnerable or can break, and that's why flowforge comes in. So flowforge is an AI companion that is able to help you by the click of your voice. That is, you speak to it whatever you need done, and it's able to move across these apps and track whatever you needed to do, and do it for you. So here is an example of how flowforge works. So while browsing, let's say you are reading the current release of Gemini and all the new features that have been brought up, you can just click on the Flowforge extension and tell it to do the task that you need it to do. So for example, here I was telling it to read read the GitHub repo called Flowforge and create and look for issues on that repo and create a Confluence page with a summary of that, and also create a Google meeting on Zoom for these to discuss this information on the 10th of February, that is tomorrow. And you can see that after trying and after adding more information, it's able to search through the GitHub, and from there it creates a Zoom meeting. And on the other side, you can see it starts to work on the Confluence page. It will here is an example of it trying to debug some of the issues it goes through along the way. And after that, you can see we successfully are able to get a summary of a Zoom meeting and a Confluence page and the GitHub issues documented. And from there, you can look into your Zoom, and you can, as you connected the app, you can look into Zoom, and you will see that your actions were performed. And you can look into Confluence and also see that we have the same information that we requested it to do. So the aim of the app is to make sure that we don't have to always switch from app to app to app. We can focus on the thing that mostly matters for the business, and let all this repetitive and work that can be automated by AI agents be done by them. And that was my work. Thank you.